So here it is told that a girl throws a die. If she gets 5 or 6, if she gets 5 or 6, then she tosses a coin 3 times, and notes the number of heads. Notes the number of heads. And if she gets 1, 2, 3, or 4, then she tosses a coin 2 times. Then she tosses a coin 2 times. And also then she notes the number of heads obtained. And then here it is told that if it is given that she got exactly 2 heads, given that she got exactly 2 heads, what is the probability that she threw, means she got 1, 2, 3, or 4, in the die. So this conditional probability we have to find. So here also we have to apply the Bayes theorem. So here let us define some events. So let's say the event E1 represents the event that she gets 5 or 6 in the die. Then the probability of E1, the probability that she gets 5 or 6 in the die, P of E1, so that will be 2 by 6. Since when she throws a die, then the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It means there are 6 possible outcomes while throwing a die. For throwing a die. Okay. So then, so P of E1 is 2 by 6, so it is 1 by 3. Then the event E2 is defined as she gets 1, 2, 3, or 4 in the die. Then the probability of E2, P of E2, that is 4 by 6. So that is 2 by 3. So, and let's say the event A represents that she obtains exactly 2 heads in the, she obtains exactly 2 heads in the coin. Then, so here it is also given, so when she tosses a coin 3 times, then in that case, the sample space I can write S1, that would be like head, 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 and then head, tail, head, 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 tail, head, 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 tail. Then like this, it will go on till all 3 tails. So here we will get 8 outcomes. And when 2 times a coin is tossed, then the sample, let's say it is S2, that will be head, 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 tail, tail, head, and head, and tail, tail. So here there will be 4 outcomes. So the here we can say that P of A given E1, it means the probability P of A given E1, it means we are trying to find the probability of getting exactly 2 heads, when a coin is tossed 3 times. Since when she gets 5 or 6, then she will toss a coin 3 times. No. So P of A given E1 means the probability that she gets 2 heads when a coin is tossed three times, or a coin is tossed twice. So that will be, obviously here we will get exactly 2 heads in 3 outcomes. So it will be 3 by 8. Then here P of A given E2. So that is also the probability of getting exactly two heads when a coin is tossed twice. It means that when she gets 1, 2, 3, or 4, then she tosses a coin two times. So that will she will get two heads only once out of the four outcomes. So it will be 1 by 4. So now we need to find P of uh, P of E2, sorry, P of E1. Uh, no, here it is told if she obtained exactly two heads, what is the probability that she threw 1, 2, 3, or 4? So it means it is the second case. So P of E2 given A, that is being asked to find. So that would be equal to P of E2 times P of A given E2 divided by P of E1 times P of A given E1 plus it is P of E2 times it is P of A given E2. So P of E2, that would be 2 by 3, and P of A given E2, that is 1 by 4, and that divided by P of E1, that is to 1 by 3 times P of A given E1, that is 3 by 8, plus P of E2, that is 2 by 3, times P of A given E2, that is 1 by 4. So we have to solve this and find out. So therefore, P of E2 given A, that is equal to 1 by 2 into, no, sorry, 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 6 into 3 by 8 plus this is 2 by 3 into 1 by 4. So this would be 2 2s are 4, so 3 2s are 6. So this would be 1 by 6 divided by, this would be 1 by 16 plus 2 2s are 4. So this would be 1 by 6. So this would be 1 by 6 divided by, this would be 6. So the LCM 6 and 16. So that is 2 3 are 6, 2 8 are 16. So 48. 16 3s are 48. So 6 8s are 48. So this would be 1 by 6 times 48 by 11. So this would be 6 8s are 48. So the answer is 8 by 11. Sorry, there is something wrong here. 2 by 3. Sorry, this is not 1 by 6. This is 1 by 3. Sorry. There is something wrong. Extremely, there is a mistake here. Sorry, there is something wrong here. Okay. There was wrong here. Okay, so this would be 2 by 3 times 1 by 4 divided by, this is 2 by 3 times 1 by 4 plus this will be 1 by 3 times 3 by 8. So this would be 2 to the 4. So this would be 1 by 6. 2 to the 4. So 3 and 3 will cancel. So this would be 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. So this would be 1 by 6 divided by the LCM of 6 and 8, that is 24. So 6 4s are 24, 3 8s are 24. So this is 1 by 6 times 24 by 7. So 6 4s are 24. Therefore, the answer is 4 by 7. So this is the final answer. Thank you.